Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to get 3D live wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to use 3D live wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 26, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, if you want to use wallpaper as a live wallpaper, then you have to make sure that you have a live photo. So if you want to set anything photo as live wallpaper, then you have to make sure that you have simply updated your iOS to iOS 26 update. For this, you have to simply go to settings, and you have to go to general, and you have to go to software update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest iOS 26 update on your iPhone. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have that photo as a live wallpaper. So here you can simply search for that live wallpaper. Now is trending the Labubu live wallpaper. So here
Somebody's
you can
watching
simply
me.
search for
How to
that.
set up this
So here you have
Labubu
to
live? How?
simply look for that live wallpaper, and you can simply click on that. And here you have to simply select that live
Somebody's
wallpaper, and
watching
you want
me.
to set
It's
it
my
as a live
anxiety.
wallpaper. Then you have
Apa dia tengok? Tahu lah saya
to
comel.
save it as your live wallpaper
Okay,
photo.
let me
So
tell you
have
what.
to simply click on
This
that.
one, this
And
is
here
my
you have to
favorite.
click on that
Wait,
share
wait,
button,
wait.
and you have to
Okay,
save
let
it
me tell
as
you what.
live photo
This one,
on
this
your
is my
iPhone.
favorite.
And after
Wait,
saving as live photo, then you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to wallpaper, and here you have to simply click on add new wallpaper, and after that you have to simply click on the photo you want to set it as a live photo, and you have to simply click on that. And here you have to simply select all the photo you want to set as live, so you have to simply select that. And here you have to simply click select the photo, and after that a new option will be available in iOS 26, which is as a special effect. So you have to simply search for that effect, and after that you will see that effect will be set as a live 3D wallpaper. And after that you will be able to set it as a 3D live wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. Can you get more videos like these? You can subscribe our channel.